have it. Got her all fixed up. So what it was really oxidized contacts on the on your RCA jack. So I cleaned it off with contact cleaner, and I pulled apart the harness from the tone arm wires to the RCA wires and cleaned that out. It was all filthy dirty. So now you can hear that speaker's working. So that's your right channel. It was humming like a banshee before. And this is your left channel. So both are clean as a whistle, no hum. And there's your Q arm. And you can move it over. And the only thing that's not working is your 45. Well, actually your 45 is working. So I fixed that too because the spring was in backwards. Wasn't sure that I did that actually, but I flipped the spring around and that's basically sorted it out. So let's drop it down here. We'll put it in the middle of a song here. Okay, and then to switch to 45. You don't want to do it in the middle because it's so delicate, but just to show you. So what we'll do is I'll drop it back down to 33. And we can crank it right up.